Hi, I'm Steve from Lock It Up. Today we're going to do the slow cone weave. Speeds between 8 and 10 miles an hour and RPMs usually between 1700 to 22 should be just fine. So here are some of the things that I think about when I do the slow cone weave. Start wide instead of hugging the cones. Start your turns wide. This creates more space and time for leaning the bike and transitioning between turns. Look where you want to go. Crucially, turn your head and eyes to look at where you intend to go, not at the cone themselves. Early turns. Initiate your turns early, anticipating the next cone. Leaning and counterweighting. Allow the bike to lean. Let the motorcycle lean into the turn. Keep your body upright or lean slightly away from the turn to counterbalance the leaning motorcycle, especially at slow speeds. Shift your weight to the outside of the turn. Body position for leaning. While not leaning with the bike at slow speeds, you'll still be moving your upper body slightly to initiate the control, the lean. Remember to keep your spine in line with your sacrum, neck long. Rear brake for control. If you need to slow down further within a turn, use a light controlled application of the rear brake while staying in the friction zone. And avoid front brake at low speeds. Refrain from using the front brake, especially when the handlebars are turned, as this can destabilize the bike. So we're gonna put like 2 to 3 demos on the slow cone weave, and then I'm gonna come back and give you a couple of great tips that you can use to practice. So let's do it and let's go. Try to do it wide, 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 wide. Try to get back in line with the cone, and then first cone, turn the wheel, keep your head up, keep your head up. And we'll do wide, 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 and wide. There you go. That was fun. So here are some tips that you can use. Begin with a wider spacing of cones and gradually move them closer together as your skills improve. Incorporate U-turns at the end of the Serpentine to practice continuous transitions and improve your overall maneuvering abilities. And don't be afraid to struggle. It's normal to make mistakes and put a foot down. The key is to keep practicing and focus on the correct techniques. I hope you got some value today. Practice, practice, practice. Ride safe. Hit the subscribe button. Leave some comments. I'm Steve from Lock It Up, and thank you so much for watching.